Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fessner. How are you doing, guys? Hello. Guys, so let's put it aside. And here we've got 2080 GPU. I've checked, well, first my technician have checked. There were no shorts here, but there were shorts on one of those pins here. So what I said, voltage inject, well, just 1 volt and put some current inside and observe with thermal camera. He's done it, but he haven't seen anything, and so I said, okay, we have to do it the other way around. So I've got a meter and let's check it. Okay, so as you see on this one, okay, ground will beep. On this one, okay. On this one, okay. On this one, okay. The next one, look, that's the second pin. And thermal camera doesn't show. So I start to check regular all the coils, yes, and I found that when you follow these coils, you've got, look, but one, yes, it's better to see it on the ohms. So you've got some kilo ohms, yes, 20, let's say, kilo ohms. On this one here as well, 2 kilo ohms, 30 kilo ohms, yes, and on this one here you've got 1 ohm. Okay, that could be the ground because I had 0. Oh, 0, 0, 0. You see? So simple method of using just ohms is showing you what's wrong with the graphics card. Now there is a, let's switch to the microscope. Okay, let's measure and see if we've got the same value on the ohms on the PCB or maybe the capacitors. Yes, I do believe that it will be the MOSFET anyway. Okay, so well, that's 0 ohms, 0 ohms, good. Shine me here better. Look, still low resistance, and on the second side will be the same. Yes, the same. Okay, so that means we need to remove the MOSFET because the MOSFET most likely will be the culprit. Okay, yes, so let's get this MOSFET away and let's get to the measurement. Now, if it will show us the same problem and somewhere in the circuitry we've got this thing, or 0, 0, or there is, ooh, super hot. So let's start off those capacitors. Still. This. And this. I know it's hot, but that means that the fault is not on this. That's OL. That's OL. So that means it's not a MOSFET fault. So I was wrong. Yes, 1.0 mega ohm. That's 0. Oh well, yes, okay. So in that case, MOSFET is fine. I can put it back. It's not a MOSFET. Ooh. That's 0 ohms. That's okay. That is 0 ohms. So I've got one which is showing me 0 ohms. I need to check the data sheet because I'm not sure how it's internally built. Okay, so in that case I need to zoom in because I don't see everything the right way. Zoom in, plus, and I'll be able to tell you. So drain on the 3 pins. On those, Captain Tape, go off. Do I have it this way? No, I've got it. Now it's the right way. So drain and gate first. Drain, gate, and drain. That's OL. Good. So drain, gate to source. Okay, now OL from the drain to the source. It's fine. And now is the second. It's drain here on those, which should be 1. I mean open. Yeah, 0, 0. That's okay. And that's source. The source is nothing. Okay, good. And gate is only here. So to the gate, it's okay. So this MOSFET is fine. So the fault is somewhere on the main board still. And the problem is that, where is the problem? That's OL. And in that case, we need to call it a no fix, guys, because I can only voltage inject now and see if that MOSFET has a big radiator underneath, yes, big space which is cooling it. If we will voltage inject now and I won't see where the heat is dissipating, yes, I'm unable to investigate it further, and in that case we have to call it a no fix. I won't be spending my time on this graphics card. Yes, it is 2080. I think super, but if I don't see heat dissipation, I would have to start blindly remove further components down the line in order to find it. The only thing is that on the GPU we had small resistances, but now I'm checking and it's 0.00 completely, yes. So if it's completely 0.00, that's well. not even 0.8 or 0.9. So yay, I don't believe we will find it. In that case, yes, in that case we can try to remove the GPU and chip. See, it's going down to 0. So I would say it's a GPU chip faulty and we won't get it. It's too dear. I don't see the symbol on it, but it's 2080, so the chip is 2080 GeForce, and I would say that if I will insert the voltage inject, if I will not see it again, that means I can almost blindly put that it's a GPU fault. I haven't found any other better solution. I've spoken with people who are fixing graphics cards. I do fix them every so often. I don't fix them daily, so I'm not expert with them, yes, and I would love to be wrong. I would love to learn a better technique of diagnosis, but for now I know what I know. So I know that if we see MOSFETs, if we don't see heat on them, we can blindly remove the MOSFET and check one side to the ground and second side to the ground. If we still don't see heat dissipation anywhere, then it's most likely that it is GPU fault, yes, and that's what I've learned. If you know of a better method, comment down below. We will be for sure grateful. And that's it. That's all I wanted to show you in this video. Hopefully you know yourself now how to diagnose this type of stuff. Thank you for watching. If possible, please leave us a like or comment. See you in the next video. Bye bye.